Hi everyone, it's Ian here from Verne Industries. Got a new device for you today. This is the Octopus wearable device. The front of the device features an Octopus pocket watch front, which is mounted onto a tin with a lovely copper design. Two small screws come out and the battery goes in the battery compartment at the back. Runs off a 9-volt battery, available at most stores, and features a proper toggle switch. Even comes with a hand-stitched leather hanging strap. The size of the machine is 60mm deep, 80mm wide and 80mm tall. However, the best part is when the light goes out. The Octopus gives a strange and eerie effect. As long as it goes green, you're perfectly safe. No krakens or octopuses about. If you'd like to purchase one of these devices, just visit my website www.verneindustries.co.uk. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Bye bye now.